Hello guys, do you know you can start making money from your Facebook account? What I mean your Facebook account, all your social media account, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, you can start making money from your Facebook account daily by performing simple tasks. Okay, so I want to introduce you guys to a platform called Hawkit. I started this platform about 3 weeks ago and it turns out legit. You can see how much I've made so far. I've made about, let me zoom it for you guys to see. I've made about 9,000 naira. You can see it here, 9,000 naira performing simple tasks daily. Okay, and you can see my total withdrawal here is just 15,359 naira. This is the total amount I've been able to make from this site that I registered over 2 weeks ago. You too, you can start making this money with just a one-time registration fee of 1,000 naira. You can start making 1,000 naira daily from this platform. The name of this platform is called Hawkit. Okay, it's very legitimate and the minimum withdrawal for this platform is just 100 naira. Yes, you heard me right, 100 naira. It's very simple to reach the minimum threshold for withdrawal. So let me show you guys my withdrawal proof. I've made multiple withdrawal from this site. So I'm just going to head to my withdrawal transaction history, and you can see withdrawal history. You can see withdrawal process, the total amount I've withdrew from this site. Okay, so you can start making money from this site. You can see you can start making money from this site and cash out daily. They doesn't have withdrawal days. Okay, you can withdraw your money instantly as you make the money. Hawkit is the best paying site now in Nigeria, and mind you, this site is not a Ponzi scheme. It's not a Ponzi scheme, so you actually generate income from those tax you make. Okay, so why not hurry? Check the description of this video to use my referral link to create your account, and also use the link displayed on your screen. Use the link displayed on your screen to create this account and start making money.